How to segment email lists in Brevo for targeted marketing. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a segment in Brevo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the Brevo website. Once you're there, log into your account using your correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Now let's come towards creating your segment. After logging in, head over to the Contacts section. This is usually found in the main navigation panel and is where all your contact-related features live. Next, click on Segments. This is the area where you can manage your existing segments or create new ones. Inside this section, you'll see a button labeled Create a Segment. Go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll have two options to choose from. The first option is using a predefined segment template. Brevo provides templates based on engagement, demographics, and purchase history, which makes it super helpful if you want a quick setup. But if you want something more customized, you can create your own segment by defining specific conditions. You can add filters like location, birthday, email engagement, SMS interactions, product purchase history, and more. This helps you build highly targeted segments that match your marketing goals. Once you've added all your criteria and you're satisfied with the setup, make sure to save your segment. This ensures your new segment is ready to use for your upcoming campaigns and prevents any data from being lost. And that's how you create a new segment in Brevo. Simple, powerful, and perfect for improving your targeting and communication strategy. That's all for the video.